Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro, and today I'll show you how to clear browsing data. So to get started, you want to open up your browser. For me it's a Chrome, and from here where I have right now a red dot, just get rid of it. Normally you'll have these three dots, so tap on them, and from here you'll see history right here, and you can either delete basically each entry individually by just tapping on the X like so, and basically it's going to be removed, or you can tap on clear browsing data and then select the time period which you want to delete it from. So you have option between 1 hour, 24 hours, 7 days, 4 weeks, or all time. And if you have been using the phone for a little bit longer than I have, which is basically a couple hours, you might want to select, I'm not sure what just happened there, you might want to select all time, and then make sure that browsing history is checked on, and clear cookies and site data is also checked on, and you can also add cache images and files as well if you want to save some space on the device as well. And from there, once you have selected everything that you want, you can just tap on clear data, then clear data, and you'll see that previously where you had 3 other entries that with the X, there is nothing left anymore. So that is how you'd clear browsing data, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.